Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step the easiest way how you can buy Step Finance. So the Step Finance coin, as you can see here on CoinMarketCap, here's some information and this is the price. I'm showing you exactly how you can buy it. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and open a new tab and type in DEX project serum like this, and then go to the first link. And when we go here, there's no way to actually find it, to find the Step Finance. So what you want to do, you want to hit swap, and we are going to swap Sol, so the SOL, Solana, to Step Finance. So go ahead and change this to Step Finance. You can find it yourself or type it in. There we go. And how to buy Sol, so that's what I'm going to show you as well. We first have to connect our wallet, which can be any wallet here. It can be Ledger, any wallet here, and you can send that from Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account, go ahead and create it. The link down in the description. You can go to wallet, fiat and spot, and then you want to type in Solana, withdraw, and then withdraw it to one of these. Let's go to this. One of these wallets you want, so for example, a Ledger wallet, you can send it to that, connect it to Project Serum on Swap, and then change this to Step. So this is actually the way you want to do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.